Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Did you know every video you've ever reposted on TikTok is still linked to your account, even if you can't see it? And TikTok gives you no button to delete them all. But there is a secret method to clear every repost at once, and I'm going to show you exactly how to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Let's get started. If you only reposted 1 or 2 videos, you can remove them easily. Just go to the video, tap the share or repost button again, and tap remove repost. But if you've reposted a lot and can't find them all, this is where the real solution comes in. To remove all reposts at once, we need to contact TikTok support. Open TikTok, tap your profile in the bottom right, tap the 3 lines in the top right, tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to the Support and About section. Tap Report a Problem. Now scroll down all the way down and you will see Chat with Us option. Click on it. Now, type your question and send it, and it will answer you. And that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.